Regarding latest information on what is still Hurricane Dorian, 85 mile per hour sustained winds, but it will not remain a Category 1 hurricane for really all that much longer. This thing is going to be strengthened probably later on this evening, likely turning into a Category 2 hurricane. And then as we get into the weekend, Category 3, and now upgrades it to a Category 4 hurricane just as it nears the coast of Florida. And right now the cone is as far north as South Carolina and as far south really as Miami. So it's still a huge swath. And really even after it gets to Florida, there's a lot of uncertainty whether it goes north up into the Carolinas or it continues its westward track into the Gulf of Mexico. But really everybody from South Carolina down to Florida needs to be on watch and be prepared to take action, as a Category 4 hurricane will do substantial damage and put areas out of power without water, possibly up to days or weeks at a time. Now, as far as Georgia impacts, it may not be able to come through here until about Saturday evening. That's when places like Savannah or Brunswick will start to see tropical storm force winds, which are about 39 miles per hour or greater. The brunt of the storm right now looks to be in the Florida Peninsula. But as we go further into this weekend and into Monday and Tuesday, places like Valdosta, maybe into Albany, and then maybe as far north as Columbus and Macon may start to feel some strong winds associated with this, especially if it takes this more westerly track. If it takes a more northeasterly track, that'll put places like Brunswick, Savannah, up in the Carolinas into the chance of seeing these tropical storm force winds. So a lot of questions, just be ready to act if you need to. We'll continue to update you here online at 11alive.com and on air.